What's up, everyone? We get to try the Impossible Burger 2.0. Now, we've tried the first one before, the original Impossible Burger, which was amazing. Check out the review there. Tastes a lot like meat, fools a lot of meat eaters. People loved it. They tended to say that it was more like a lean type of meat, is what it tasted like. So, this is the Impossible Burger 2.0, made by the same company, of course. It actually won a couple of awards. Consumer Electronics Show, it won Best of the Best, which is pretty amazing to win for a food item at a tech show. So that just tells you what kind of league this is in. We get to try it because Morrell's in Louisville, Kentucky has it now. Most restaurants that have the Impossible Burger should be going over to the 2.0 now. If you can get the Impossible Burger now, you can probably get the 2.0. So go out and try it. This is my first time trying it, so we'll see how it tastes. Now, I will say, just looking at it, it looks different than the original. The original tended to be slightly crumbly, and this one, it keeps its shape quite a bit. So normally, burgers haven't really freaked me out before. I used to love meat when I ate it. This actually, from what I can remember, it tastes like it. And if this didn't come from a vegan restaurant, then I might wonder if they accidentally gave me the wrong thing. I honestly don't think you would be able to tell the difference. And maybe it's because the texture of the original was different enough to where there was still that disconnect in my brain. But there isn't that anymore. So, yeah, this is definitely a bit different than the original. So one of the main things that has changed with this is they make it with a soy protein now. They used to make it with a wheat protein. That was part of the reason why it was kind of crumbly before. It still includes the heme, which is that molecule that has the iron and tastes like, you know, blood, and that's what gives meat its meat taste. Still has that, which is why it, you know, wins awards. Yeah, that's the difference between this one and the original, is the main source of protein. It doesn't taste like soy to me. You know, sometimes you can tell. All in all, as a vegan, if you want a burger, like a legit burger, this is it. There's nothing else to get. This is the only thing in my book. You gotta try it. It is gonna be available in stores for like, in groceries and things. I think they were gonna push them out at some point this year. Maybe near the fall, I can't remember what they said. So be on the lookout for it. I'm sure it's gonna make headlines when they are available. That's the Impossible Burger 2.0. If you like this review, check out some of my other videos. I'm currently working my way through the entire veganomicon. Lots of recipes, we're over halfway through. We're testing all of the recipes in that book and having a lot of fun doing it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.